Hello everyone, my name is Sister Raquel and I'm coming to you with a couple of exciting announcements regarding our April 5th Saturday service. So starting off at noon, we will be having our very own SCDC PYPU President, Elder Kyron Shorter, facilitate a Youth Leaders Caucus. Youth leaders, you do not want to miss out. He will be discussing what it takes to be an effective leader in the 21st century. Shortly after, at 1 p.m., we will be listening to two dynamic preachers pour their heart outs to God and exhort at our midday service. But wait, there's more. Minister Matthew Taylor, can you tell us what else is going on?
All right, everyone, some more announcements for you. Starting at 2 p.m., we're going to be having a seminar entitled The Miseducation of the Saints. You don't want to miss that seminar. This seminar is an extension of our seminar series entitled Let's Be Real. Dr. Malika Brown will be the facilitator for that seminar, and she's going to have a lot of information for you, so you don't want to miss it. Following that seminar at 3:30, we're going to be having the Brenda L. Wynn Music and Sacred Arts Rehearsal. I need to see all my sopranos, all my tenors, all my altos at that rehearsal. If you are a praise dancer, you want to join us as well. That rehearsal is going to convene again at 3:30 p.m. Following that rehearsal, we're going to close out the day with a wonderful culminating worship service. Servican Bishop Preston Norman Jr. will be the speaker, and he is going to come and bring the word. You don't want to miss it. We're going to have a full day of surprises and full day of just activities for you. You don't want to miss this day. If you've been to our Fifth Saturdays in the past, you know what a wonderful time we have. So you don't want to miss it. I want to see everyone there. SCDC, let's come out and support. Peace.